How's it going, guys? John here. It is crazy out here at OC Yotanights tonight. The meet is hopping. I've never seen so many cars out here. Got some really sweet Jeeps over here, awesome Land Cruisers, all kinds of things. Let's go check them out.
I swear I like your style. Put you in Chanel cause it's just perfect for your smile. Girl, I swear for you I run the world, I'd run the miles. The way you look at me, I think I'm going insane. It's crazy how we started out to what the love became. You need me, say my name. Don't ever hesitate. It's 2 AM outside. When I'm with you I feel way too high. You know you got me going crazy, baby. I just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. With you I feel too high. I feel too high. Yeah. It's going on with you, I feel
Other driver.
If you run, then I'm chasing. Girl, you #1. I know that you know you're amazing. Okay, I swear you got me high, and I ain't talking about no drugs. So all I need is you. I swear your love is like my plug. Hey, baby, I might come and steal your heart. I'll make a crime scene. Designer on your tight jeans, some diamonds for your timepiece. Yeah, yeah. You know you got me going crazy, baby. I just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. It's 2 AM outside, and I'm with you.
Come on back! Come on back! Back up! Back up! Back up!
With you I feel too
Yeah! Hey!
Did you shit yourself on the last run?
It's going on with you, I feel It's going on with you, I feel way too
That's Team West on Instagram. Just so you know. Alright. He's fucking bad. He's not a good team. He's not a good team. Rip it.
A little bit more gas.
Here we go.
Let's go 80. Oh, this thing's sweet.
1, go. The Aston Martin takes the lead in the first two corners. The Subaru's catching up down the straightaway. Subaru comes out. They 6 has the lead in the first two corners. Almost taking out the others.
You got second. You got second.
Go. The Subaru and the STI. The STI and the Aston Martin fighting very quickly down the straightaway. The STI almost got it.
Hey guys, thanks for joining me at OC Yotanights. It was crazy here tonight. Something for everybody. We got the Hot Wheels racetrack over there. We got the Flex track over here for the big boys. This thing is crazy out here, guys. Thanks for joining me. Catch you guys on the next one.